Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to review something really amazing. So stay with me till the end of this video because right in this video, I believe it's one of the most important videos that I've ever created on this channel, because in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to the credit line without the credit check. Means there is no effect on your credit, and it's simple and straightforward. But before moving forward with this video, please subscribe to the channel. As you know, on this channel we talk about how you can build your credit, how you can get access to the higher credit limits and credit cards, and at the same time how you can improve your credit score, get new credit cards and credit line without affecting your credit score. It means there will be no credit check. So today's video, I'm going to do another financial institution review, and this time around it's Oxygen Bank, and it is another fintech startup. Oxygen Bank is a no credit check credit line that they offer you by analyzing your banking data. Oxygen Bank offers personal bank accounts as well as business bank accounts. I'm also going to tell you why this is a very good option for most of the people in the end of this video, so please stay with me so I can give you all the perks that this account and this credit line has, and at the same time this banking institution offers a lot of things to you. So they use a platform known as Plaid. I don't know whether I'm just pronouncing it correctly. It's Plaid, Plaid, and what they're doing exactly is that they're combining all of your bank accounts in one place, so you can have a holistic view of all your different accounts. If you have different bank accounts, so it is very helpful tool. You can have read access to all of your bank accounts, and you can see all of your bank balances on one place. One great feature, and I personally love it, that it adds all of your bank balances, and then you know that how much is your total worth, means how much you own in your bank accounts. And believe me, this is what I personally really like, because most of the time I don't know how much money do I have in my accounts. So by having all of the accounts at one place, I know that how much money I have in total, and then I can do my things accordingly, of course. So they offer personal bank accounts and, as you can say, business bank accounts as well. But before going to the business, I'm going to talk about the personal bank account and some of the perks of the debit cards that this debit card has, and I personally love it. So Oxygen bank accounts actually offer 5% and 7% cash back. When it comes to 7%, I was really amazed to see, for example, they offer 5% on rideshare, on your groceries and some of the other things. But for example, they also offer 7% such as on rideshare and Trader Joe's and Walmart. What I mean by that is that they do have some caps in it. And what I mean by caps in it is that the most they can give you in a day is $7 on Walmart. So it means if you're going to buy something for $100, you're gonna get $7 back. And all of this in a debit card is actually a very good perk. And for you guys who don't like, most of the people right here on the YouTube community as well who don't like credit cards, so if you use debit card, this is one of the most amazing choices that I can say that you can have that can give you 5 to 7% of cash back. So these are the things that I wanted to talk about at first, but I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot. I know a lot of people are waiting right now that how we can get the of course the credit line with this credit card with no credit check, and of course they don't check your credit score, and of course they don't do a soft pull or either a hard pull. What they exactly do, they analyze your banking data. So for example, you have connected your main bank account. For example, you have a Chase bank account, you have connected it with Oxygen. So what they exactly do, they see that how much money you have transferred in the past 90 days. Means you have to have the account open with them for 90 days, and after 90 days they analyze that how much money you have transferred into your Oxygen account. And of course they also analyze the other financial institutions and banks that you have attached with this with their app. So they do that, and then they give you a credit line, and it's guaranteed after 90 days they give you a pop-up or an email, and then it shows you your credit line. So it's automatic, so you don't even need to request it. So it's a pretty good thing. For example, let me just tell you a trick, and this is really really nice, that I personally really like what they exactly do. For example, if you are transferring the money in your Oxygen card, means you are doing this transaction. I'm not gonna say transaction, it's just a money transfer. Just show them that you have the money. For example, if you're doing like 4,000 3,000 every month, and you do it for like 3 months, so they might give you a credit line of 2x. It means like $6,000 to $8,000. And so I think by having this sort of a credit line without affecting your credit score, it means there's no soft pull or hard pull on your credit. It's a very, very nice feature and opportunity. So I believe there's nothing to lose. You're gonna, of course, have more credit available on your credit report and on your hand as well. So of course you can do that. So this is what I personally love about this banking institution, that what they exactly do, they actually analyze your financial situation, means like how much you have in your Oxygen bank and how much you're transferring and how much you're spending. And also they analyze the data that you connected from your other financial institutions, and then they see that how much it is, and then they decide your credit line after 90 days, and you don't need to even apply it. They'll give you an offer, and you just need to accept it. And you can actually they actually do it every 3 months. So it's just not after 90 days. For example, after that 90 days and the other 3 months that you have, like after 6 months, you have like more transactions into your banking account, or you do some more money transferring stuff from your main account to your Oxygen, or from Oxygen to other accounts. What they exactly do, they analyze that, and they can just increase your credit line according to that. So this is how they actually give you the credit line, and I personally love it. One more thing that I want to add right here, they just don't do the personal bank account things. They actually offer business accounts as well. And what I mean by business account, they just don't open the business account, they actually help you establish your business. So what they do, they have a fixed $199 a business account opening fee. You can actually go to your state website and do it, but and according to them, what they do exactly, if you pay that $199, they'll create your business account, they'll give you your EIN, they'll file on your behalf and do everything. You just need to sit and relax by paying the $200. You don't need to fill any sort of lengthy forms or anything. All you need to do, you just need to scan your passport or your green card if you're an immigrant, or if you have your driver license. You just need to do that and provide them with your information, that what sort of business you need to open, or you're willing to open. So, and then they open the business account, and it's all through this app, right? You just need to do that. So I think this is very nice for a lot of people out there who are looking to have a business account or a business, and they don't want to go into the hassle. This is one thing that I want you guys to know. So when it comes to the credit line, again, it's just a 90 days procedure. What they do exactly, they analyze your transactions, your I'm not gonna say your monthly income and stuff. They just see the transaction you have between your Oxygen bank and your main financial institutions. It's like Chase Bank or Wells Fargo and stuff, then how much money you have transferred between those accounts. And then after analyzing those transactions, they give you a credit line, and I believe this is a good one. Even the debit card has a very good perks, just like 7% and 5% back on different things. So I believe it's a very good choice, and I'm actually going to have it. And of course, if I'm going to have it, so I'm definitely I can just recommend it with open arms, that hey, this is what I'm going to apply for, so you guys can do that as well. Like just opening an account for 90 days and having a credit line, and they're not going to even see your credit score. This is actually a very good thing for me. So even if you have a bad credit, worse credit, or it doesn't matter, you don't have a credit at all, you're still going to get the credit line from them. So I believe it's actually a very good option for all of you. So of course, if you're going to apply for this card, or you already have this card, or if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment and let me know, and I'll be glad to answer that. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, a big thanks to you. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to like the video, because it will help us grow bigger and better, and then it will help us to create more great content like this to you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe and stay healthy.